Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Latifah, student at Mathematics Education Study Program, Muhammadiyah University of Ponorogo. This time I will review journal entitled Evaluation of Mathematical and Scientific Competence in Primary Education STEM Project in Spain, a systematic review, written by Ainhoa Persiano, Iris Uscola, and Teresa Zamalua, Department of Mathematics, Experimental Science and Social Science Education, University of the Basque Country, Spain. This journal is published by Education Science, year 2024, volume 14, issue 12, page article 1349, and the last is the DOI code. This journal article consists of abstract, introduction, mathematical and scientific competence in STEM education, methodology, result, and discussion. First, I will review the abstract section. This article reviews the current of mathematical and scientific competence in primary education in Spain and their assessment within STEM experience for students aged 6 until 12. A systematic review of 53 articles 1993 until 2022 reveals that most studies focus on STEM competence, with limited evaluation of mathematical, geometry, number, statistics, computational thinking, and scientific is concept understanding, hypothesis formulation competence. The finding emphasizes the need for systematic assessment to better understand this competence development in STEM education. Secondly, I will review the introduction. In the last 3 decades, the acronym STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Mathematics, has gained increasing relevance in political and educational fields. This concept originates from STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, introduced by the U.S. National Science Foundation, or NSF, in the 1990 to support techno-scientific career in response to the shift toward technology-driven economy. NSF ensure an educational approach that integrates various disciplines to create an informed society and skilled workforce. STEM later evolved by incorporating the arts into STEM to foster creativity, problem solving, and analytical skill. Various countries, including Europe, through the EU STEM Coalition, have developed strategies to enhance STEM education in Spain. The government has adopted STEM strategies into school curricula, focused in reducing and gender gap in scientific technological sector. However, research indicates challenge in the implementing STEM, including imbalance between discipline and over-reliance on digital tools. Some perspectives emphasize the importance of student learning process over final outcomes. This article specifically reviews STEM experience in Spanish primary school, focusing on evaluating mathematics and science aspects based on systematic review of articles published from 1993 until 2022. The third, I will review about mathematical and scientific competence in STEM education. Mathematical competence involve the ability to think and reason mathematically to solve various problems. To achieve this, the ICTM emphasizes the importance of content standard, numbers, operation, algebra, and geometry. And process standard is problem solving, reasoning, communication, connection, and representation. The Common Core State Standard or CCSS, published in 2012, highlight mathematical practice that support content mastery, such as understanding problem, using tool, strategy, and recognizing patterns. This competence is also linked to computational thinking, which refers to ability to formulate and solve problems algorithmically while mastering technology. According to the EOCD, mathematical literacy is ability to reason mathematically, both inductively and deductively, and solve problems in real-world context. The curriculum emphasizes developing computational thinking through algebra and mathematical processes like communication and connection, aligning with the view the problem solving in essential parts of daily life. Competence in scientific investigation include the ability to formulate questions, design research, and analyze interpret data. Students often face difficult in formulating questions or distinguishing between hypothesis, prediction, and conclusion. Additionally, it is also crucial to research, evaluate, and use scientific information for decision making and action. This includes the ability to distinguish claims based on scientific evidence to build arguments that support scientific conclusions. Scientific argumentation is the ability to link claim to evidence and evaluate claim based on available evidence, which is fundamental in constructing scientific knowledge. The research method used in the article is a systematic review based on PRISMA 2020 protocol. The article adopts the PRISMA preferred reporting interest for systematic review and meta-analysis protocol to ensure validity, transparency, and rigor in the review process. Following the introduction of Prisma 2020, the selection of the article followed this step. 1. Identification. Keywords such as STEM, STEAM, CTEM, and CTEAM were determined for the search across databases like Scopus, Web of Science, and GeoNet. 2 is screening. Articles were filtered based on predefined inclusion and exclusion criteria. 3 is selection. Relevant articles were selected through an in-depth analysis conducted by the research team. The result is a total of 53 articles were selected for analysis, most of which were published in the last 5 years. 2018 until 2022, indicating growing attention to the topic of STEM in elementary education. The article mainly focused on implementing STEM in upper elementary school grade 5 and 6. Most articles concentrate on the general development of STEM competence, but only 14 articles evaluate specific aspects related to mathematical or scientific competence. Mathematical competence were more frequently evaluated through content such as geometry, number, operation, and statistics. Scientific competence were primarily evaluated through the understanding of science concepts, particularly physics. Evaluation attended focus on geometry, statistics, computational thinking. There was no in-depth evidence of broader mathematical practice being evaluated, such as problem solving and mathematical reasoning in various contexts. Concept understanding, the main focus of evaluation, such as force, physics, conductive material, and electrical circuit. Hypothesis formulation is only two articles evaluate student ability to formulate hypotheses. No article assigns the ability to use scientific information for decision making or action. Most articles emphasize project description rather than evaluating student learning outcome. Proposed evaluation objectives often clear evaluation result. Certain aspects of STEM, such as digital and system competence, were not assessed at all. The conclusion that can be drawn from the research results in the article are: one is there is a need for a more systematic approach to assess mathematical and scientific competence within the STEM context. Two is science evaluation focus more on physics compared to other fields such as biology or chemistry. Three is research such as using stronger evaluation framework and providing teacher training to improve assessment in STEM projects. Interesting aspect of the article is one focus on STEM project in primary education. This article identifies how STEM projects are used to support mathematical and science competency in students aged 6 until 12 years. This project have the potential to develop thinking, problem-solving skill, and cross-disciplinary competence. Two is systematic method, PRISMA 2020. The research used the PRISMA 2020 protocol to identify, screen, and analyze related articles from the major database, Scopus, Web of Science, and Telnet. This approach ensures transparency and rigor in the literature review. 3. Focus on competency elevation. The article highlights how the development of mathematical competency, such as geometry, statistics, and scientific competence, such as hypothesis formulation, is evaluated in the context of STEM projects. Number 4 is empirical data. The analysis involves 53 articles published between 1993 until 2022, with findings showing the most of the works were published in the last 5 years, indicating an increasing attention to this topic. Novelty of the research compared to previous studies. 1. Use of STEM project for specific competence. The studies provide a unique review of how STEM projects are used to develop mathematical and scientific competence. Previously, many STEM projects focused on the final product or technology, but this article emphasized the process and deep evaluation of skill. Number 2, evaluation in primary education. This article contributes to the literature by exploring how scientific and mathematical competence are assessed at the primary education level, a field that is often underexplored. Number three, identification of assessment gaps. An important finding is the many studies focus more on describing project rather than evaluating students' competency outcome, highlighting the need for a more systematic and comprehensive assessment approach. Alright, that's all I can say. More or less than I'm sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.